my YouTube. All right. Remove all drawings. So guys, you can ask questions in case you don't understand. So definitely I do markup, okay? I do markup I start from the daily to do my markup. So I'm just going to look for a markup that we're going to use for the next trade idea. I don't think we can take, okay, we can do 30 minutes. Okay, we can do 30. All right, please follow. I just want to show you a little trick that you can use on the 15 minutes. I know, okay. I just want to follow, okay. I just want to send you this little gift, okay? Hold on. So I do my markup. Yesterday I took 3 trades, no rollover, right? So this is what I did. I did my markup. So in case you want to ask any question, you can unmute yourself and ask. So this, my daily support. Daily resistance. Previous days resistance. Previous days resistance. Previous days support. Just follow me. I'm trying to see where I can be able to take a trade on in the next 11 minutes. So this is today and the previous day, right? So coming down to the hourly candle, I'll also do the same, okay? I'm looking for areas of support and resistance, right? I'm looking for areas of support and resistance. So this is what I do. I pick out where I see resistance. This 1 hour sell. Where I see support. That's 1 hour buy. So right here, another zone. Whew. All right. I see a structure here. I'm going to make that place a sell area. Why? Because of this candle. This red candle. Market sold off, so I'm making it a sell. So I come down to my 15. This is exactly what I did yesterday. Little trick I learned from Kevin Moore. So now that I've gotten my 1 hour areas, I see this is a 15 minutes high. $15 minutes high. Here I see another 15 minutes resistance. We have like 9 minutes. So that should be resistance. 15 minutes high. I have 9 minutes to take a trade. So now I have a little bit of an idea what the market is doing. I'm just assuming that I have lots of newbies in the house, so I'm not going to go a little bit advanced. I'm going to say things, yeah. So there are some structures here as well. So this is support. So that areas are what I'm looking at. So I'm going to just end here. Okay, I'm going to end here. So coming down to the 5 minutes time frame. This is 622. This is a buy move. Okay, price is going up. As you can see with your trend, you can see that this is actually an up move, right? This is an up move. So if we take a buy, it's in favor of the trend, which is good. And right now, price is currently dropping, which is super good. So the place that price is going to hit first before it starts going up is 0486, as in 486. That's the price that price is going to hit now and start going up. Okay. If price gets to that level, if price gets to 40, now if price gets to 486 on the 30 minutes mark, is a good buy. So what will I do? Because price has currently called out for a sell, right? Which is 2-point sell. Price, okay, it's 2 points. It was a 4 points, okay. Now it's selling. What if it doesn't stop to that point? What is going to happen? What is going to happen? I still have another trade ideas, possible sell. If I have a possible sell at same time on the 30. Okay, I have a possible sell on the 30. I have a buy, I have a sell. Buy is the original move, okay? Buy is the original move for this trend. So when you are trading against the trend, you want to use 1% max. Okay, so this is what I will do. I want to wait. This is 625 now. I have done my markup. So if trade comes up, good. I have an area that I'm looking at. Though 644 is very, very high. Let me see if I can get a structure. Let's see if I can get a structure. There is nothing here. There is nothing here on the 15 minutes. So we're going to take a reversal trade, which is a sell. We're going to take a reversal. If trade stays at above the 580s, on when time gets to 628, we are going to take a 1% risk. If you can take it on 629, it's good. 3 minute sell, okay? 3 minute sell. This is against the trend. This currency strength meter is risky. That's why we are using only 1%. Okay? We are using only 1%. We are just using timing. It is around our structure, which is this. I hope it doesn't drop already. It's going to be a 3-minute sell. Wow. It's just 27 and it's dropping. If price comes back up to 570, even if you see 569, take it for a 3-minute sell. We are close to timing now. 1% of your account, please. 1%. I hope this doesn't leave us. So why am I taking it 3 minutes? I believe that between now and the 30.1 in the time, when it gets to 31, I will be out of this trade. This trade would have given me a little bit of retracement. Okay. I hope it doesn't happen already. Yes, it's coming up. We want it to come to the area, like there is a markup here. We have a structure we are looking at. 1% of your account, 3 minutes, guys. 1% of your account. Definitely Cash Trap is going to call a sell very soon. So if it gets to 570, we're going to take this trade. I hope it doesn't leave us. Wow. So we take the trades on the 30-minute mark, the 15-minute mark, the 45-minute mark. Good. Now the trade is coming up. 65. What I'll do is I'll take one trade here. Okay, 71, which is better. Wow, it even gave us a better entry. Watch how it drops. What is your entry, guys? What's your entry, guys? I took a fresh one at 76. Okay, anybody that got in on the spike up will be in good profit. I'm just showing you what happens when time hits 30. Okay, can you see that immediately time hits 30, there was a reaction. Price intended to come down. It hasn't happened yet, but just watch. If you can practice this 30-minute mark, this 45-minute mark all day long, guys, you're going to crush it. I took 76 and I'm still in it. Can you see the drop? Guys, can you see the drop? Can you see the drop, guys? See how it dropped so hard on the 30 minutes. Now, this is when I am supposed to be out of this trade. Now, Cash Trap also call out this trade as a 5-pointer. Now, if you took any lower entry, you can roll over. You can roll, okay? If the entry is very poor, you can roll over. So it's, I believe by 35, once this 5 minutes candle close, everybody should be out of this trade. I'm in profit now. Wow, it's just playing around my entry. Just playing around my entry. So you see what happened when it got to 30. Now it's 32, which is, if you enter the trade earlier, you will be out. But if you roll over, good. Okay? Now this trade is still taking its time. It's still taking its time, but trust me, it's definitely going to drop. It's definitely going to drop. So what I did was I took a rollover, so I doubled up at 587. No, now don't do that. It will drop. It will drop. So it is, if it doesn't drop now, on 45 minutes, it's going to drop. There's no area that is coming to except this 644, which is pretty very high. I'm still waiting for this drop to happen. I have 587. Look at it. Can you see the drop? Everybody should be in profit now. Everyone should be in profit. Who cleared that on last second? I am in profit. If you took 76 like me, you should be in profit. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm about to go 2-0 on this trade. I'm about to go 2-0 on this trade. Just drop and stop wasting my time. Come on, come on, come on. Give me that massive drop. Just playing in and out of profit. I expire in 35. Come on, drop, 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 drop. Yes, let's go. Drop more, drop more. Come on, drop more. Yes, in profit. 3, 2, 1, clear. And it still dropped more. And it still dropped more. Can you see this, guys? Wow. Just entered at 800. Took 2 minutes. 2-1. Madu. Those are patient people. This is just how simple it is. It is definitely going to retrace. Now it's coming to that 486 price. Guys, did I do any analysis? No. It is just timing. I even wrote my poor entry twice. And I'm about to clear that one as well. That's why I said I'm about to go 2-0 on this. So should I explain from the top how we got here? Should I explain from the top how we got here?
Yes, please explain.
Okay, this is what I did. Okay, first of all, I did markup. First of all, I did my markup. Okay, this is against the trend. The trend is an uptrend, you can see. Okay, the trend is an uptrend, as you can see, right? Currency strength meter says euro is stronger than what? The NZD. Euro is stronger than NZD, so it's still a buy trade, right? Look at Euro is stronger than NZD. Good. So it's still a buy trade. So everything confirms it's an uptrend. So trend is up. Currency pair. Now, this is what happened. Cash trap also called the trade for itself. Cash trap also called the trade for itself. Now, if I want to buy, now this, let me bring out cash trap. Now, the time we entered the trade was on an oversold area. That is, RSI and stock was above red. RSI and stock was above red. So I have more reasons why I should take a sell. But you know that we do not, as long as we are using cash trap, we do not take trade that is against the trend, right? Because if you take more trades in favor of the trend, you're going to make more wins. But timing plays a role. Timing. Okay, when it gets to the o'clock, when it gets to the o'clock, it will reverse. Look at price was, this was 615, 620, 625. Now, this was 615, right? When it was getting close to 615, price went up, which is a buy. And that is what we watched. We did not take the trade. We just watched how it played out and it went up. Okay. Now that we know that price went up on 15, we did our markup and we're waiting for 30 minutes. We're waiting for 30. So this is what happened when 30. This is where the 15 closed, right? This is where the 15 closed. Look at 30 minutes. When it gets to 30 minutes, it made a little extension up, but it eventually dropped. Can you see it? This is the 30 minutes candle. It dropped as a red. The previous candle was a buy. Okay? The previous candle was a buy candle. So on the 30-minute mark, price will tend to retrace. Why? Because a regular candle has a wick, a body, and a tail, right? So I am capitalizing that if every candle on normal market conditions is going to have a wick. So the wicks always comes up at the close of the candles. So price makes an extension up, and when the candle is about to close, it kind of gives a little bit of retracement. Sometimes it comes down close to the close of the candle, price gives you a little retracement. So that's retracement because we are time-based traders, we capitalize on it. You understand now? You understand now?
Yes.
So that's basically what we do. And that is how I went 2-0 this morning. So this is the little trick. There's no added, there's nothing added. This is just what you have to do. Wait for time, do your markup. Ours was very, very risky because there was no zone for us to mark up at the top here. As at the time we took the trade, but we saw this 564. So I told you 570. So it gave us a spike up around 79 areas, which